Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. Today we got our first shout out member. So here are a list of my members. This is Ozzy. I'm going to share with you his channel. So make sure you subscribe. I am the 6th subscriber. Let's click on more. He joined June 18th, 2019. I am going to copy his channel and I'm going to link it on my homepage and keep him as my top 10. So thank you so much, Ozzy, for joining, for being a member of TCC 21. Don't forget to go to the mistodoric.com, get a free gift on that website. You can request your free gift. I appreciate you being a member once again. What else? I'm going to create a YouTube short for you, this long form video, and then have you posted and showcased. Tell all of my students to subscribe to your channel. We'd love to see you update, your banner, put some playlists, get some videos on here, a little bit more about what your YouTube channel is about, but this is the way to start. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being a member of my channel, and I will help you along the way and promote and just be a fan of your channel. So let's see some content and keep posting. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.